Good Monday morning, and thanks for logging on to your Aggie Land Carpet 1 forecast. I'm meteorologist Natalie Ferrari. Just got done tracking a very busy start here in the weather department and a very busy start to your week as we had some severe storms and even a few tornado warnings roll on through the Brazos Valley. But take a look at PinPoint radar now. A much more quiet scene all across the region. If anything, those showers do continue to push off to the east. The severe weather now leaving even the Lone Star State, again, well off to the east. But when that rain came through, it actually dropped down temperatures almost 10 degrees. Now we're in the mid-60s for many of us. And I think here over the next couple of hours we'll likely continue to hover around those mid-60s, trying to climb our way back through the 70s by later this afternoon. Winds have been pretty variable. If anything, they're gradually calming down themselves, coming in about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Could see a little bit of a breeze later today, but here's a better look at that widespread severe weather event. And even again, we did see a few tornado warnings out through Grimes and Walker County and even into San Jacinto County earlier this morning. This has all since subsided and leaving behind mostly cloudy skies. As you saw there on Live Eye earlier, we are seeing a few peaks of sunshine trying to break on through. However, we're not quite done with the rain just yet for today. As we go through later today, I think we'll keep things mostly cloudy, but once we spark up some more heating again, I think by this afternoon after lunch, throughout the afternoon hours, we could find a 50% chance for a few more isolated thunderstorms to pop up, anywhere from some isolated showers to some isolated thunderstorm activity. And the best chances for that are actually going to be for our eastern counties, and we'll of course have to monitor the potential of any of those storms to reach strong or even severe levels again. But as far as that potential, things again will look to be rather isolated. They won't likely be as widespread as what it looked like earlier this morning. So that is something we will be monitoring through the rest of today. Continuing mostly cloudy skies overnight into your Tuesday morning forecast. So I think tomorrow we'll still wake up with quite a bit of cloud cover, but we're also going to be waking up to a cold front. And what that's going to do is cool down our daytime highs and our morning lows over the next several days. Instead of those 80s, we're talking about the 70s for the majority of this week. That cold front will actually push out a lot of that cloud cover. So again, I think today will stay mostly cloudy and look for those clouds to stay pretty stubborn. And we're going to try to aim back for the lower 80s by this afternoon, but then look what that cold front does through the rest of the week. It actually drops us in the 70s for the daytime highs, and day by day we'll gradually warm things up back into the 80s for your upcoming weekend. But even overnight lows are going to be a little bit on the cooler side, so that means as we make our way through the next couple of days, you're going to have to break back out those light sweaters or that light jacket for the kiddos at the bus stop, because those morning hours will be a little bit on the cooler side. Again, that's going to start more so, not so much tomorrow morning. Again, it will be a little bit cooler tomorrow morning, but definitely for Wednesday morning and the mornings to follow, much on the cooler side. I think our northern counties could even tap near the upper 40s to the lower 50s. So something that will be quite a bit of a nice change in the sense that we'll get a bit of a break from the rain. But again, for today, this afternoon, we'll keep a slight chance for thunderstorms in the forecast. We'll be here to keep you updated.